It starts raining and people are rushing. It's one. People are rushing to sheds. You see them rushing. It's raining. In fact, I wanted to capture them rushing, but there was a problem with my camera. That is Kitale. It's raining now. You can see it is 0220, or we can talk of 1420 hours. And it is raining in Kitale. It has just started raining. You can see the clouds. They are not all that dark. Yet it's too windy where I am right now. You can see that is the east side of Kenya, of Kitale, eastern side. The rain is coming from the east, heading to the west. This is the western side, and this one is the southern side. The northern side is now the opposite.